Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple ID not signing in old iPhone 6. If you're also facing this kind of error on your old or new device, in this video, I will show you how to fix. First of all, you need to make sure your iPhone connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data when you try to log in any Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad. Okay, if you're connected with strong Wi-Fi and cellular data and your iPhone still not logging in and you are facing difficulty to log in Apple ID, so in this video I will show you the other method. The second method is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to go back and tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general you need to scroll down and tap on VPN. Make sure you are not connected with VPN. If you're connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and then try to log in again your Apple ID. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone and easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working and you're still facing the Apple ID issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting, tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on reset. Okay. After tapping the reset, you need to select the reset network setting and apply it on your iPhone. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily log in and your issue will be fixed. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.